Tensar AX5-GN asphalt interlayer is used for the structural reinforcement of asphalt layers. The geocomposite interlayer is used for the rehabilitation of flexible, semi-flexible, or rigid pavements. The main function is to increase fatigue resistance of the pavement by delaying the occurrence of fatigue cracking in an asphalt overlay. The benefit of an improvement in fatigue performance may be utilized in two ways. Improving the fatigue performance of a given overlay thickness increases the life of the rehabilitated pavement, or increasing fatigue performance enables a reduction in asphalt layer thickness for a given pavement life. Tensar AX5-GN is a structural geocomposite consisting of a polypropylene monolithic paving grid with integral junctions bonded to a polypropylene non-woven paving fabric. The multi-axial grid controls strains in the overlay by an optimal interlock with the asphalt mix. The multi-axial grid structure provides maximum reinforcement and effective crack control in all directions, thereby creating the structural reinforcement function of the asphalt interlayer. The paving fabric initially functions as an installation aid. After saturation with bitumen, it provides a SAMI, stress-absorbing membrane effect by enabling lateral strain distribution between the cracked underlay and the new asphalt overlay, what means a stress relief function. Once saturated and impregnated with bitumen, the fabric additionally delivers a waterproof interlayer barrier. A proper installation process of Tensar multi-axial geocomposite is extremely important to achieve the final effect of excellent performance. The installation process consists of the following key parts. The existing pavement of an acceptable and even surface, smoothly milled asphalt surface, or the regulating asphalt layer are suitable for the installation of an interlayer. A bitumen bond coat is spray applied to the substrate and can be either bitumen emulsion or a hot applied bitumen. Tensar geocomposite is simply unrolled onto the bond coat. While manual unrolling is perfectly possible, the use of a purpose-built interlayer installation machine enables a faster installation to a higher quality. Brushing also helps a lot to achieve a firm and wrinkle-free contact between the product and the existing surface. Few passes of PTR over the fully installed product is highly recommended to achieve the better bonding of the fabric to the surface. Once the bitumen emulsion is fully broken and cured, asphalt paving and compaction process with traditional paving and compaction machines should occur.